Nutrition tips: pregnancy and nutrition. The 9 months of pregnancy is essential and sensitive. Eating a healthy diet during this period is necessary. Some foods are not safe for pregnant moms. In this case, expectant mothers should know which foods they must avoid. Avoid eating out all the time while pregnant to ensure healthy eating and to prevent overeating. Foods must avoid during pregnancy. Caffeine. This is a psychoactive substance. A psychoactive substance affects psychological processes. For instance, soft drinks, cocoa, and tea contain this substance. Avoid high levels of caffeine. Caffeine is quickly absorbed into the system. It can also be passed to the fetus. It can build up in the embryo. The fetus doesn't have the main enzyme for digesting caffeine. As a result, this can hamper the growth of the fetus. High mercury fish. Mercury is one of the highly toxic elements. Obviously, it is not safe for human consumption. Certainly, while it enters the body, harms the body functions. Examples of the fish species with high level of mercury include shark, tuna, and swordfish. Raw fish. Uncooked fish can cause viral and parasitic infections. Examples of these include Vibrio, Listeria, and Salmonella. As a result, the expectant mother can get dehydration. Consequently, some microbes can pass to the baby, leading to fatal consequences. Undercooked and raw meat. Several bacterial infections, such as Toxoplasma and Listeria, are brought about by eating raw meat. These bacteria are a threat to unborn babies' health. The unborn baby may have intellectual disability, epilepsy, and severe neurological illness. Undercooked deli meat, minced meat, burgers, or pork should be avoided. Raw eggs. Salmonella is prevalent in uncooked eggs. It can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. In some cases, one may experience uterus cramping and premature birth. There are many foods that contain raw eggs. Poached eggs, homemade mayonnaise, lightly scrambled eggs are good examples. Pregnant mothers should thoroughly cook eggs. Organ meat. Organ meat is prevalent in some cultures because they are rich in nutrients. Examples of these nutrients include iron, copper, and vitamin A. Consumption of a lot of organ meat can lead to vitamin A toxicity. Vitamin A toxicity can lead to liver toxicity. Besides, congenital disabilities can also occur as a result of high copper levels. Raw sprouts. Raw sprouts comprise of alfalfa, mung, and rash. These substances are prone to salmonella contamination. Definitively, pregnant mom must avoid them. Washing off can remove the bacteria, but cooking can make them safe. Soft cheese. Soft cheese is not safe while expectant. This is because they are less acidic and contains a lot of moisture. As a result, dangerous bacteria can breed and grow in them. Mold-ripened cheese is not safe unless after cooking it properly. Other foods that should be avoided or minimized during pregnancy: unwashed produce, unpasteurized milk, alcohol, processed junk foods. Remember, do not avoid fish completely. Some type of fish are healthy. Mothers are encouraged to eat fish that contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help to prevent and manage heart disease. They also aid in lowering the blood pressure. Lack of enough omega-3 fatty acids in the body increases the risk of depression.